Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you like to see how I got these beautiful butterfly locks, then keep watching. Okay, y'all, so here I'm just showing you that I braided up my entire head, and I did 2 rows in the back just to make sure I had it. I'm going to be using a twisted up spring twist hair. For each of these, I'm just going to be taking my crochet hook and going up under the braid, hooking on the spring twist hair, and then I'm just going to pull it through. As you can see here, I'm making one side longer than the other side. Then I'm going to just wrap it tight at the top. I'm going to insert my thumb for the little bubble effect. So right here, I'm just trying to measure it out to make sure that they're the same length. I want them kind of short bobbing. Once I get the desired length, I'm just going to wrap it back up. And then to tie it off, I'm just going to tie a knot and then palm roll it. So I'm just going to repeat these steps throughout my whole head. I'm just going to let y'all watch. And then for the last 2 locks, I'm just going to slow it down for you. Okay, y'all, we finally on the last two. I'm just gonna take one strand and fluff it out. And I'm gonna open my crochet hook, slide it up under the braid, hook on the strand of hair, close it, and then pull it back. Okay, so the short side is going to be the length of the lock that I want. Then I'm just going to wrap it tightly at the top, and I'm going to get looser as I go down. And as you can see here, my thumb is just getting covered up by the lock hair. And that's how the bubble effect comes into play. And this is also real time, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the last lock. Just showing y'all how I open the latch hook. I slide it under the braid, hook on the hair, then I close it and pull it back through. I'm measuring it, and the short side is going to be how long I want my lock to be. The short side and the braid, my braid goes together. And I just wrap it. If you look closely, you can see how my thumb is just getting covered up by the twist hair. I wrap around my thumb, then over my thumb, and under my thumb, just to keep the bubble there. So you can see how I insert my thumb, go above my thumb, then under my thumb. Continue that all the way down. So here I just added some more hair. I'm just measuring it to make sure that it's all the same length as the other ones.
Y'all, this was my first time doing these locks on myself, and I absolutely love them. They're so cute and fluffy.
Okay, so that is how I do my butterfly locks. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And let me know if you would try this style. This style took about 4 hours for me with breaks in between, so yeah.